Why did sociology emerge as a separate discipline? Why didn't it develop in ancient times like philosophy or history? Sociology emerged not by accident, but as a response to major social changes. In this lecture, we will understand how and why sociology emerged as a scientific study of society. Meaning of emergence. The emergence of sociology refers to the historical and social conditions that led to the birth of sociology as an independent discipline in the 19th century. Sociology developed when thinkers felt the need to systematically study society using scientific methods, rather than religious or philosophical explanations. Historical background. Sociology emerged mainly in Europe, especially France, England, and Germany, during the late 18th and early 19th centuries. This period was marked by rapid industrial growth, political revolutions, social unrest, decline of traditional institutions. Society was changing faster than ever before. Major factors responsible for the emergence of sociology. Industrial Revolution. The Industrial Revolution brought massive economic and social changes. Shift from agrarian to industrial economy. Growth of factories and cities. Rise of capitalism. Poor working conditions. Class conflict between bourgeoisie and proletariat. These changes created new social problems like poverty, unemployment, crime, and inequality, which demanded scientific understanding. French Revolution. The French Revolution, 1789, challenged monarchy, feudalism, religious authority. Its slogans, liberty, equality, fraternity, changed the idea of society forever. However, it also created instability and chaos, forcing thinkers to ask, how can social order be maintained during rapid change? This question became central to sociology. Growth of scientific method. The success of natural sciences inspired social thinkers to apply scientific methods to society. Observation, experimentation, and rational analysis replaced superstition, religious explanations, speculative philosophy. Auguste Comte later called this approach positivism. Urbanization and social problems. Rapid urban growth led to slums, overcrowding, breakdown of family and community life, moral decline and crime. Sociology emerged to study these problems systematically and suggest solutions. Intellectual movements. Several thinkers influenced sociology. Enlightenment thinkers emphasized reason and progress. Social philosophers like Montesquieu and Rousseau studied society. Economists like Adam Smith analyzed capitalism. These ideas laid the foundation for sociology. Role of Auguste Comte. Auguste Comte is known as the father of sociology. He coined the term sociology in 1838. Proposed the law of 3 stages. Emphasized the scientific study of society. According to Comte, sociology would help create social order and progress. Conclusion. Sociology emerged as a response to industrialization, political revolutions, social disorganization, scientific thinking. It aimed to understand society scientifically, so that social problems could be analyzed and solved rationally. If you found this lecture helpful, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends. Thank you.